Welcome to Digital Investment. Markets have started to now show some sign of a positivity. It was today. If you see, it was also in a very if you know past few weeks market has been a very bad rally. It was going down, started consolidating a bit today, and it was pushed up. Now what happened? What is happening? Because mainly crude oil is now, I told you we have to follow the prices of crude oil during this crisis. Crude oil determines how the Iran war will go smoothly. Crude oil prices are jacking up like anything, and now crude oil has shown some sign of you know crash. Does that mean Iran war has over? No, it just means it's a profit booking or short squeeze happening for tomorrow. But however, there are some signs that started to reduce a bit. Yesterday, if you have been following the news for a weekend, Iran have finally started allowing some ships, started allowing passing through of ships to ship, passing through of ship to Strait of Hormuz. uh, has also got permission to go to pass to Strait of Hormuz. Yesterday I think three ships have landed during this weekend, and today morning I think two ships have landed carrying passing through the Strait of Hormuz. And Iran basically said that India is one of our very good friends, and we will not interfere any deal with India. So that is what markets have. They didn't show sign of a crash. However, didn't even show sign. It was just consolidating and move, an upward movement. So even if you look at my position, I had tried. I was so frustrated with ITI today. If I can open it in my terminal, uh, why? Okay, I'll open it here. ITI, I was looking to short ITI. It perfectly hit my 678. I took 2678. I was today it hit 278. I targeted. It went crashing. No, it went crashing. I tried to capture the liquidity. Now this is my new form of strategy for shorting. I will capture only I'll only capture liquidity. I will, when I'm doing swings or spot trading, shorting, I will catch only the liquidity. I'm not following the trend. I'm following the liquidity. I'm not trading the price. I'm following the time and the liquidity. I'm noticing where all the liquidity is. So that is all. And Iran war is still going on, but there are some signs of start of hope here. So that is why I thought, if like I place some orders today, this will get auto cancelled today. I'm not able to auto cancel it if Iran war shows some signs of negotiation, because today also one speech is about to happen. Apparently Trump is going to give a speech tonight, and this is a volatile time when Trump gives a speech. You know how Trump has influenced the global market since this election time, and that has caused a lot of volatility in the market since Trump has gone election. So Trump is doing a speech today in the White House. Insiders are saying that it is a plan to do a ceasefire, Iran ceasefire, but we are not sure because Iran is not backing down yet. So that is why I've taken two of the trade. If uh, one of them hits, I took orders for BLS International and uh, took orders for BLS International and as for this one also, Bharat Electronics. One of them hit. If Iran was to continues, it would hit my target of 220. I took a target of 240.5. If it hits today and the Iran was still continues, it will go up. And I have taken a long on BLS International. If there is some negotiation happening, global travel will be more smoother. So what now we have to look is crude oil. I said multiple times, crude oil prices have caused the markets to crash down a bit. So yeah, looking very smooth. Uh, Looking some form of smoothness is there. And wholesale price, retail wholesale price of 11 month high of 2.13. This is not a good size. How much Indian government, our economic data manipulates this data. It is heavily manipulated. They don't consider the core products, like how USCPI has been announced. So this is producer side of things. PPI. I don't know what is it called, PPI or something. No, this is very manipulated. Even with this much manipulation, also they recorded a 2.3 high, which is not looking good. However, now that is not the main focus. Our main focus is this Iran war. If it shows some sign of negotiation, things can go smooth. Route to Indian vessels route to Strait of Hormuz should look smooth. Crude oil demand should increase, supply should increase more, but right now supply is controlled. Demand is prices increases, so that is why you see Adani gas was in a bull run for past 1 week. It was in a bull run. Now today showed sign of a crash, because there was a ship allowed to Strait of Hormuz. So that's it for me today. Please like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye.